has shown way too much of it. Oh, he's given a penalty for handball. It's a third penalty shout of the afternoon, and John Beaton has pointed to the spot.
Well, Cole Donaldson, I think he gets the head down and the arm up here. Is it in an unusual position? No, it's an awkward one. It's very difficult to tell exactly where it hit from that angle. He's coming out to block and... oh, you know something, that's a tough one.
Well, Jason Cummings is going to have the chance to put Hibs in front in the semi-final. Against the Japanese Eiichi Kawashima, Hibernian's top scorer this season.
You're either a hero or you're the opposite.
Scorer this season. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What on earth was that?
Well, that's the one. You're either a hero or you're the opposite. This stage of competition, Hibs don't need that. He had the ball fired into the back of the net. He's gone for the really clever chip, and he's missed the best chance of the game.
Red faces all round. In particular for Jason Cummings. There are times to be gallus. Semi-final.